and anyone who wants to come and join our movement, they are very welcome. The most happiest part is that they have come. They've come and they've come unconditionally, and that is the most important thing. He was a sitting chairman. He was Bubagra was a MLA, sitting MLA. They've left their post and come when there is still 5-6 months to go, which says that the wind is blowing on us.
So what we have understood that the main purpose for Tipra Motha is to do for greater people and political.
What else do you want in life? Do you want to die with 100 crores in your bank and a post of a MP, and your people say that you sold them? I don't think I came to politics to make money or to get any post. I came because my grandfather gave something to Tripura. My father, when he was alive, he donated land for GB hospital. He did a lot of things. What have I done if I die without contributing anything for my people and my state?
And for blue people, what would you like to finally say?
The blue people are my people. I've worked on the settlement, and the blue people are a part and parcel of Tripura. Nobody has fought more for the blue people than I have, and the blue people, I want one of them. One day, the blue people from the displaced people should be also MLA, a minister, and MP. And don't forget, the blue the Maharajas of Tripura had blue queens and princesses, and don't forget, Gauri Babu himself is a blue. So we are proud of our blue people. We are proud of our Kiprasa heritage, and we want them to be a part and parcel of Tripura. And anyone who opposes them, especially those organizations in Kanchanpur, they better wait, because when we come to power, they will have to answer not only to the blue people but to the entire Kiprasa community.